guys, the Kitchen Fairy here. Long time no see. I hope you've been doing great. It is sunny, super sunny today, which is very nice. Started yesterday, it was 23 degrees, and today it's gonna be 26. So I'm so happy about this because it's been wet, miserable days here where I reside. But now it seems like summer starting. Hopefully, crossing fingers. Sometimes it even snow a bit in June for us up north. Anyways, today I have a recipe for making a dessert box or dessert cups, and it is with a little booze, Kahlua. So this is like Kahlua cream dessert box, and it is super simple to make. You don't need to bake nothing. It's a cheater way. You can bake, of course, but for the base or for the main cake or main something that is not the cream, instead the cream only. This is almost like a cheesecake, but it's not really cheesecake. Anyways, again, this is like with coffee flavor, Kahlua, and also dulce de leche. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So I prepared some whipped cream. I left some of the whipped cream inside my bowl, and then I added half of cream cheese and about a third cup of dulce de leche, and we're gonna beat this together. We're gonna crush some Mary biscuit. This is digestive biscuits. Prepare a cup of coffee, instant coffee, and add some of this instant coffee into the cream cheese mixture. Maybe about 3 to 4 tablespoons, if not more. It's up to you. Now that everything is prepared, the cookies are already mashed or crumbled or processed into fine crumbs. We're gonna drop some of the cream cheese mixture into the cup. That's about 2 heaping tablespoons, and then we're gonna cover the top with the cookie crust, about 2 tablespoons. Now moist the cookie crust with a tablespoon of coffee, and then we're gonna top it with whipped cream, and then we're gonna put a little of Kahlua, like tiny bit of Kahlua, about quarter teaspoon or half teaspoon on top of the whipped cream, and then we're gonna repeat the steps like so. Now we're gonna top it with our cream cheese, and then cookie crust, coffee, and another whipped cream. Ta-da!